So let's code the delete event. I'll double click it. And just like we did for the edit event, we need to make sure that the user actually selected a row of the appointment that is to be deleted. So I'll just copy paste it right here. And if the user did select a row, then we can proceed with the deletion. So again, we'll grab the ID. So I'll copy this as well, because this will be the appointment that we want to delete. And then we can delete it. And the deletion, of course, returns a boolean whether the deletion was successful or not. So we'll go to an if statement and go to our object of appointment and call the delete method and pass in the ID. And if the deletion was successful, we once again refresh the grid view and the deleted item should not be there. So I will copy this line now for the data source in our grid view. And again, we will grab the updated items in our appointment object. And if the deletion was not successful, let's do an else statement. We will simply display a message box saying the user that the deletion was not successful. And this is it for our appointments. So next, let's start coding the new appointment form.